In a previous video, I talked about using the post-record actions so that you could like record different takes. You know, if you had a good loop going and you were trying to like nail your take perfectly and you don't just want it playing on forever. And so they've actually moved that now. I'm not sure why, but it's now in the project panel and it's under settings and it's right here. So I have my post-record action, my post-record delay. And now if I go ahead and set this up after 4 bars, it's going to record or start a new clip for me. And you can see that like so. So that's where it's been moved. Just wanted to give that quick amendment to the previous video. Now, you can't hear any of the sound coming out, and that's just because I'm having to use my cheap Focusrite interface, just as like one set of outputs. So anyway, what happened is my Antelope audio interface is like already busted like in under a year, and took like 2 months to convince them that it's a hardware issue and not a software issue. And I've had to send it in, you know, paid for shipping myself and all this crap, and who knows if it is or isn't going to be fixed. So there's not going to be any new videos coming out until I get that back, and hopefully it's working. If not, I'm going to have to just buy an RME interface and just be done with Antelope, but that's like, you know, $1,000 down the drain. So we'll see what happens. But anyway, just wanted to give you that update and tell you where that's been moved to. Thanks.